Looking for premium stainless steel at the right price? Sheets, pipes, walls, and fittings all under one roof. We supply from India's most trusted manufacturers. High grade stainless steel sheets and cold rolled coils. Perfect for fabrication, construction, and heavy industry. Superior finish, long lasting performance. Stainless steel pipes built for high pressure systems. Ideal for oil, gas, chemical, and water industries. Safe for food and pharmaceutical processing. Seamless tubes engineered for extreme temperatures. Industrial valves from all trusted global brands. Gate valves for precise shut-off control. Ball valves for smooth, secure flow. Butterfly valves for efficient system control. Reliable flow management for critical operations. Complete fittings, elbows, tees, flanges, reducers. Precision engineered for secure connections. Engineered for zero leakage performance and long term reliability. Each product is rigorously tested for guaranteed quality. Independently verified grades meeting certified standards. We procure directly from manufacturers to ensure better pricing. No middlemen, no inflated prices, just honest pricing. Faster dispatch, guaranteed on time delivery. You get the savings directly, no middle margin. Trusted by pharma, construction, and infrastructure leaders. Preferred in bulk drugs and food process industries. Trusted strength for all major industrial projects. Committed to quality, transparency, and service excellence. Your one trusted stainless steel supply partner. Contact us today for the best stainless steel prices.